This will be the best and most expensive custom gaming PC we have ever built here at Radiant PCs. Today we're building a fully water-cooled PC with the best GPU, the RTX 4090, and pairing it with the ultra-fast Intel i9 13900K. Now that we have the CPU seated and locked down, we can move on to installing a 2TB Samsung 980 Pro and 64 gigs of this Corsair Dominator DDR5 RAM. We'll move on to cinching down the water block for the ROG Z690 Extreme Glacial motherboard. Now we can install the motherboard into the case before planning our loop, the basis of which will be the EK Front distro. It's quite a large piece but fits perfectly in this Lian Li 011 Dynamic. For the radiators, we've gone with two Corsair Hydro X 360s. It's time to unbox the emperor of the GPUs, the RTX 4090.